Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to the Wallpaper tab, and here you can pick something from your wallpapers by tapping on My Wallpapers album, from Gallery, or Wallpaper service. So let me choose My Wallpapers. And now you can come along with all possible options. You can also pick some downloaded if you have something here. And pick the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. I will choose this one, and now decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them, and let me pick both. This is how it will look like over here, and if you want to apply it, just click on Set on Home and Lock Screens. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied, so from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both home screen and also lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.